Let's try something cute. I love kittens. You guys with me on that? Chicks in the butt and kittens, right? Or not. Here's my problem, though. I hate cats. Anyone with me on that, right? I hate that shit. Kittens, fluffy and adorable. Cats, mean little pricks. I'm trying to find a way to prevent kittens from turning into cats. The only way that I found that does that right now is a wood chipper. Adorable and horrible, like me. That's going to be my new CD, by the way. Cute. You want to hate me, but you can't. I mean, you can. Trying to think where to go here. I don't know. I only have so much material.
You lost your virginity yet?
Fuck you, Castles. Oh, well, let's talk about that. Because that's not shameful enough. Although in the sex dungeon, this might be the right spot to do it. Okay, I was not kidding about losing I lost my virginity when I was 29 years old. How do you do that? Not by accident, fall into a vagina or something, right? At that point in your life. Like, I don't understand how I fucked that up. And it's not that I couldn't get girls. Like, I could get girls to hang out with me and get girlfriends. I was like a serial snuggler. You guys have no idea. Like, I could get anyone to hang out. I could get girls to, you know, like, lay it down and shit. Could never get to seal the deal. Like, my first girlfriend, no, fuck you guys. This is serious shit right now. My first girlfriend, we were making out, we were at the, at the heavy petting zoo, right? And long story short, we were gonna fuck, and then she was on her period. Exactly. You don't earn your Red Wings on your maiden voyage. There's no goddamn way, right? That's varsity shit. I just made the, the freshman thing. There's no way. And then the second girl was awesome. She was, penis in the mouth trick, right? And then, but she knew what she was doing. She gagged and she wound up throwing up on my dick. I know. And she's like, there is no way my vomit is going into my vagina. And I was like, I understand. How about your butt? Oh my God. She vetoed. I tried. And then the third one had escaped, and I just gave up at that point. So awesome. I've always been bad at girls. I've never had a good relationship. I have the fucked up, stupid relationships that are always just not right. I dated a girl not too long ago. She got rid of me using the 4 magic words. You guys know what 4 I'm talking about? No, it's not. Let's just be friends. It's an easy one. She said, I have a penis, right? And, son of a bitch, but that ain't getting rid of me. I know for most guys, that's like a total boner buster, but I don't give a shit. Like, all that says to me is that I can leave the toilet seat up and we're going straight to anal, cha-ching. What we've learned tonight is Will loves anal, I guess. That's what we've learned as far as evening. I dated a girl that carried an emergency sex kit. Anybody? No, no one does that. That's fucking crazy. I had like lubes and it's not a flat tire, bitch. What are you doing? Right? But it inspired me, right? So now I carry an emergency sex kit too, but all I have in it is like a rag and some chloroform. Where Eugene, there's a lot of joggers. But no, hang on, that's what she wanted. She wanted that weird shit. She wanted the rough, like, outdoorsy shit. She's like, come on, Will, jump out of the bushes dressed up like a rapist. I was going to do it, too. I just couldn't find a Kobe Bryant jersey in my size. That wasn't the laugh I was looking for. Should I go with Roethlisberger? Would that have been... Fuck that dude. That dude's my size. He looks like a rapist, too. Like, I know that I could, but like the problem is I look young. I didn't realize how young I looked too. The other day I looked and saw myself across the room in a mirror. I tried to coax myself into a man. Now I learned something that day about myself, you guys. I love Tootsie Rolls. I try not to look 12. It just doesn't work no matter what I do. Like, I grow my facial hair out, I just look like a giant 12-year-old rapist. Like, that little fucker, he's got problems. Maybe doing jokes in a sex dungeon somewhere. So I lost my virginity at a swingers club when I was 29. Like, of all the places to lose your V-card, right? Like, you shouldn't have one. You should not be there to begin with. You're a virgin. There should be like some force field or something. Because I was not prepared, all right? And there's no being prepared for that shit. Because, like, okay, here's what happened. I had never had sex before, so they raffled off my virginity after the show. I know, so I went from being a virgin to a prostitute in one fucking, right? And then that sucks, right? So, like, and I looked, and it wouldn't be some nice young lady who wins. It was two 50-year-olds.
Nice.
At the same time. Yeah, no. No, not yeah. They had been in a swingers club for 12 hours. Fuck that. Right? Sloppy 16th is not what it's cracked up to be, guys. I know, right? No, it was horrible. Like, they came coming in, like, they walked into the room, and like 20 seconds later, their vaginas came in, hanging behind like a cake. It was ridiculous. I know, I don't want any part of that, right? It's the 250. I slept a century. Really? That's not the way, because there was no friction at all. I didn't know what I was doing. It was like fucking a Stargate, like Earth Andromeda. Right? I know, that shouldn't happen. And their husband, there was a swingers club, one of their husbands was there watching, coaching me along, telling me how to properly bone his wife, right? That's weird. It's like, no, well, bite her titty, she loves that shit. It's like, I would, but I can't reach the floor from here. That was fun too. Trying to think what else I got. That was awesome. Yeah, so I talked about relationships. How I should put this? In the couple times that I've had sex, I thought I got a girl pregnant not too long ago. No, that's crazy, right? That scared the shit out of me. But apparently you can't do that though because she was on the internet. I don't know how that shit works. I have no idea. I was virgin until I was 29. I had no clue. So here I am sending out an email telling a girl to have an abortion. No, baby, you have to download this quote hanger. Everything is going to be fine. Priceless. You can date anyone or anything on the internet. You can just pretty much whatever you want on the internet will happen. You want to date a mountain lion and an endangered species? Sure, this Halloween's loving. Alright. But like, I don't know. It just weirded me out because like they have a website right now for people with herpes to hook up with each other. I know, gross, right? Whoop, good job. Your doorman, give it up for him. I got the shot, right? He looks like me, he's not getting laid. He is, definitely not picky about it. Anyway, back to my point. So they have a website for people with herpes to hook up with each other. It's not something cheesy like herpes hookup. I guess it's called Craigslist. Yeah, Craig, you son of a bitch. So I'll talk about this because this is kind of fucked up. I have a shitty family. My mom is she failed. I love my mom, but she fucked up. She has 3 kids with GEDs. Like a GED, that's like, hey, good-ish job, right? Like, that is so fucking shitty. That is a diploma for an idiot. Like, if you can't get a high school diploma, you are fucking up. I was half a credit away from graduating. I didn't go to school my senior year. Like, how do you, you walk in to get a diploma, and boy, you want to feel better than being on a bus? Get a GED. Holy shit, you'll feel better than everybody. You're like, really? This guy? I'm here with this guy? They can't even tie your shoes in their Velcro. Are you kidding me? Like, that pissed me off. The same year that I didn't graduate, a retarded kid did. It's like, no, of course you can get a diploma and I can't. I'm fucking done with this shit. It's like, it's not really my ranch, right? Sorry. But here's the point. Is that I am my mom's only shop. My younger brother's a criminal, my older brother's a criminal, and I'm it. Right? And when I told my mom I wanted to be a professional stand-up comedian, I watched her soul die. She's like, we're going to be poor forever. Can't you be gay or something instead? Some other method? You tried not being a comedian? Is there something? She's like, you should have been a doctor, Will. You're supposed to be a doctor. You're the smart one. And I'm like, Mom, I'm a fucking horrible doctor. Come on. Walk in sick, people like, how's everyone doing tonight? Oh, right, fuck. Why did the cancer cross the heart? To get into your brain.